Welcome to Premium Select Supplies. So this video is a little bit different than any other videos you may have watched from us. This is on Glow Rhino. I love this product. And this is going to be for all the gearheads, all those people who are looking for like life hacks or gear hacks in this case. But Glow Rhino is tritium based, and it glows in the dark. So obviously right now I have lights on, so you can't see that it glows in the dark, but these are two fobs. So you can put this on a keychain. It has a glass breaker, and it, like I said, it glows in the dark and has a half-life of almost 13 years. So you don't have to worry about this dimming until about 13 years. So obviously this is a titanium fob. Comes with a keyring here, and this is what the packaging looks like. So we're gonna put that aside. But you're going to see how this actually works here in just a second, so keep watching the video. It gets pretty exciting here in a second. This is a little bit cheaper Ember fob. It's not titanium. It still has a glass breaking tip, but to be honest, I don't know how useful that is unless you have something like if this is on your keychain, which you're going to see here in just a second. Maybe you hold it up to a window and hit it with something else, and it might break the glass, but obviously I haven't tested this on glass, but that's my perception. I think you're going to have an easier time with the titanium. So now, here's what the products actually look like. And this is my keychain. And I keep this on my keychain. I'm going to throw this out at you too. For those who use pry bars on an everyday occasion, they make a pry bar as well. So it's a bottle opener pry bar, and it has tritium that glows. Again, you're going to see that here in a second, so keep watching. You could put that on your keychain as well. I keep one. I have like an everyday carry kind of tray, and that's black. So like my knife, when it's low light or dark, I can't see the light. But I put one of the cheaper fobs on this, and it stands out very, very easily. And also, when there's a power outage, I keep one on a flashlight. That way I know where my flashlight is. I can grab my flashlight, then I can find all my other needs, lanterns, batteries, so on and so forth. So I think it's a great idea to put one of these on a main flashlight that you know you need to go to when the power is out. So at this time, you're going to see the video fade to black. It's going to fade into darkness, and you're going to see all of these items glowing in the dark, and that's the whole purpose. These are great. They're not expensive, and they last a long, long time. Keep watching the video. There's going to be a discount code provided at the end along with pricing. So you can see Glow Rhino, the key fobs have a really great place in your everyday collection. So you want to check out the price below. There's a discount code included, so that's going to get you 10% off. So you're going to want to make sure you check that out in the comments below. But what are your thoughts? I use, a couple of these on my keychain, maybe the pry bar on my keychain from time to time, again, on my knife, on my flashlight. What gear would you put these on? I want some feedback. I want some positive feedback. Give me some critical feedback. What's an item I missed here that these glow fobs would work great on? It can be anything from other tools, automotive, so on and so forth. Let me know. Put those in the comments below. Let's have a conversation. Again, check out the details for that discount code and pricing on these. Thank you for watching. PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Thank you.